Have you muted a person and want to know how to go back? In this video, you will learn. First of all, open Instagram. So let's say you do this. Press on a person, then go to mute. Now you go to mute story. If you do this person will never appear again in your history bar until you do this. First of all, go to your profile picture. Now go to the upper right corner. Then go to settings and privacy. Now scroll down until you find what you see panel. Then click on muted accounts. And right here, just click in unmute. So you can mute the posts, mute the notes, or you can unmark all the boxes. So here it is. If you have any doubts about this matter, comments below. Follow our channel for many other contents about social media and more. Leave a like and bye!